Mom, can I get a new pair of ripped jeans?
No, Ashley. The bills are tight this year.
Fine, then I'll rip them myself.
The first step in ripping your jeans is you must gather everything you need. For this, you will need a pair of old jeans, scissors, a pencil, and tweezers. Once you gathered all your materials, try the jeans on and draw horizontal lines on where you want the pattern of the rips to be. This is important because you need to know the exact spot on where you're ripping the jeans. After this, lay your jeans down and cut along the lines that you lightly drew with your scissors. When you're done cutting the lines, get your tweezers and start pulling single threads out of the jeans. Once you get a couple threads out, the white thread of the denim will start to come through. This will take a while, but you will get the hang of it once you get started. You should be careful on which part of the denim you pull through, because you can pull the white thread and then break it, which will mess up how you want the rips to be. After you finish squeezing out all the denim, the white thread of the jeans should be left. If you want, you can pull out some of the denim around the rips so the overall look looks more distressed. After completing all these steps, you can now go out and wear your new ripped jeans.